our Grandmaster and founder of Bushiban, Grandmaster Zulfi Ahmed. Martial artist to build a world-recognized martial system in Pakistan. As I said, he is the great pride of Pakistan. I would like to present and promote him, the youngest 8th degree black belt from Pakistan, Grandmaster Zulfi Ahmed.
जुल्फ़ी ने आज पाकिस्तान का नाम रोशन किया और अमेरिकन कम्युनिटी में पाकिस्तान की इस इवेंट से इंशाल्लाह बहुत इज़्ज़त बढ़ेगी.
Tonight it was a great night. Him being the youngest fighter from Pakistan to do exactly what he's done as far as creating all the schools that he have, and that's the most important thing as far as creating the schools, keeping all the kids out of trouble. And I want to let all the people in Pakistan to follow his example because he is a great man.
I promoted him tonight to the 8th level of achievement, 8th degree black belt. Probably he's the youngest 8th degree black belt in Pakistan and probably in the United States.
तो मेरे सारे बुशिबान के शागिर्द पाकिस्तान में जो हैं, सारे बुशिबान के बहन भाई शागिर्द उस्ताद असातिज़ा, उनके लिए मैं सबसे पहले सलाम पेश करना चाहता हूं और उनसे ये कहना चाहता हूं कि मेहनत करते रहें. मार्शल आर्ट्स एक बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है, बहुत अच्छा फ़न है, बहुत अच्छी वर्जिश है जो आपको मेंटली, दिमागी, जिस्मानी, रूहानी तरफ से आपको सेहतमंद रखती है. सो मार्शल आर्ट्स को आप खेलते रहें, मार्शल आर्ट्स को प्रैक्टिस करते रहें और पाकिस्तान का नाम रोशन करें.
एंड वेलकम बैक. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वाचिंग संडे ब्रंच फ्रॉम ह्यूस्टन. मैं हूं लुबना और जाहिर है हम डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं. हमने बताया आपको बुशिबान के बारे में, हमने बताया एक्सपर्ट से ही पूछा हमने, मैं क्या बताती आपको कि बच्चों को क्यों नहीं कंपेयर करना चाहिए और क्या उसमें बुरा हो सकता है आपके बच्चे के लिए और कुछ अच्छा भी हो सकता है. तो थोड़ी सी और बात करेंगे. टाइम हमारा बहुत आज तेज़ी से चल रहा है. आई थिंक दिस इज़ अ वंडरफुल शो. बट वन थिंग आई वांट टू से इज़, यू नो, जब एक पेरेंट होता है, ज़्यादातर पेरेंट्स की यही कोशिश होती है उनके बच्चे के लिए सबसे अच्छा करें, लाइक यू नो द बेस्ट ऑफ बेस्ट. लेकिन ऐसा भी हो सकता है जब बच्चों को आप कंपेयर करते हैं, एक अच्छा कंपेयर किया जाता है बच्चे को और एक बुरा, क्या कोई डिफरेंस हो सकती है इसके अंदर?
बिल्कुल जी, बिल्कुल डिफरेंस होता है. There's two kind of comparison. Negative comparison, where you're putting the kid down by telling the child, look how good that other person is and you're not good. And there's a healthy comparison, where you're comparing both individual, whoever you're comparing to, their strengths, and you helping each other grow with the comparison. Qazi Saab, what are your
It's a question of whether your tone and message is an enabling message or disabling message.
Right.
अगर आप बच्चे से कहें कि देखो ये तुम्हारा बड़ा भाई है, वो बहुत मेहनत करता था, तुम भी कर सकते हो तो तुम उससे और ज़्यादा मेहनत कर सकते हो. That is the enabling. अगर आप डिसेबल करना चाहें तो तुम्हें तो कुछ भी नहीं आता, तुम कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते, तुमको तो किसी चीज़ का शौक नहीं है. सो इट्स जस्ट इन आवर माइंड एंड हार्ट, देन इट्स इन आवर मैसेज, इन आवर टोन. कि बच्चे को आप हमेशा इनेबल करें. यू फाइंड द गुड थिंग्स इन द चाइल्ड टू हाईलाइट. अगर आप नोट करें कि सुबह से शाम तक बच्चा आपसे क्या सुनता है, तुमने ये नहीं किया, तुमने वो नहीं किया, तुम पढ़ने नहीं बैठते हो, तुम नालायक हो, तुमने, इट्स ऑल a series of negative things.
And that's all they remember.
Right.
तो सुबह से शाम तक
Right.
तैयारी हो जाती है.
So if you try this for a week to do the opposite, just mention to the child what the child has done right. That today he got up on time, today he went to school on time, did the homework on nicely, you know, made his bed, or did not do some other mischief. You know, let you work in the kitchen or let the father read his newspaper in peace. So find the good things that the child did rather than the negatives.
And you know one more thing, because I know आप लोग you know more about this in child development. ये labeling जो बच्चों को कर देते हैं, कह रहे वो तो bad बेटा है और वो तो खराब हो गई है या वो बहुत ये है. Why do you think labeling hurts children?
We are a product of our labels and the tapes we play in our mind. That tells us what we can and what we cannot do. अगर मेरे वालिदैन मुझसे हमेशा कहता कि मैं नालायक हूँ तो मैं नालायक ही रह जाता. So it's just simple.
Limiting beliefs, disabling beliefs और empowering beliefs. And beliefs जो हैं, जो आप रोज़ सुनते हैं, जो आपको बताया जाता है, वो आपकी belief बन जाती है. और अगर आप limiting belief के आप नहीं कर सकते और disabling belief or empowering belief. So it all stems from the child is looking for attention, recognition, encouragement, and the parent is the vehicle, is the funnel of what belief you want to, inject into them. If you with positive belief, your child will end up being a positive, successful person. If you, so it's you have to check yourself. And sometimes it's tough because it's a down the line domino effect. It's nobody's fault. We can't blame anybody. It's just how we grew up. That becomes our limiting or becomes a belief model. So we have to change our belief model and then pay it forward.
Right. And I think, when it comes to like my grandparents, I think they were different with my parents.
Yes.
And I think my parents were different with me. And I think it just changes.
Yes, time.
Do you think they should kind of change that and evolve through those things?
Definitely. Adaptability.
See,
What is the need of the time now? What is the mentality paradigm right now?
The way knowledge is now, our children many a times know more than us about certain things, like your mobile phone. Normally, when you have a problem, you give the phone to your child. कि भाई इसको सही करो. So you have to recognize that they learn differently in this day and age, and they function differently, and they have to be groomed and prepared differently.
Of course.
And especially the children who are in the West,
Right.
and they are exposed to the Western model of education, and they're going socially and academically. They're learning to the Western model of education, and at home, they're learning an Eastern counterpart of that, Eastern counter model. So we have to learn to adapt. We have to learn to recognize the strengths and our strengths from the Eastern model,
And kind of
combine
those two.
them, have a balance, and I believe that our children can be unstoppable. They can be, and mashallah, we have thousands of success stories. The parents who are here, their success stories. We just, and it's not that we believe everybody is negative. There's still some elements, and we need to stay in that positive frame of mind where we have two beautiful entities, two beautiful models, Western and Eastern, our own culture and the Western, the progressive culture. If we can find the strengths in both and balance them and learn and adapt, I think our children will be unstoppable. They're already showing that we are in the highest level in a lot of them, so majority will be unstoppable.
Majority. And even in schools, you can see how the kids are doing so much better, and you're impressed. But I think at home, the environment, and this topic about comparing, I felt it's such an important thing, because I see it. I'm just like, now I'm on TV once, so it's different. But I'm just like, how can you just compare your, 2 children, 4 children, 5 children? Sometimes, do you think it's a difference if you have more children, you start comparing more, or you think it doesn't matter?
He's an expert in this.
Why would you say that?
He's got 5 children.
Okay, go ahead then.
Ask your question again, please.
My question is, I forgot now, just kidding. The thing is that do you think it makes a difference on comparing children if you have 2 children compared to 4 children, 5 children? Because kids can do good, but comparing them, and I know today we talked about how you find the positive.
Okay.
Do you think it's tougher for parents who have 5 children compared to parents who have 2 children?
I have to point one thing out before he answers.
Okay.
MashaAllah, Qazi Saab's all 5 children are wonderful, beautiful children, and they have great values. They have high level self-esteem and confidence. They're highly educated. The 3 girls, mashallah, highly educated, went to the best university, and that is a compliment, and that is the way they became is through the parenting. Mr. and Mrs. Qais, this parenting. So now you take over. And
those were very kind words. But
Thank you very much. We have still long ways to go. Every day is a challenge, and as parents, every day our prayers are for our children. I think when you have 4 or 5 children, it's a different scenario. When you have your first child, you stay up the whole night watching the child breathe. कि इसको कोई दिक्कत नहीं हो, कोई problem नहीं है, you know. I remember those days. But after the third child, you know everything is going to be fine. So you,
Exactly.
you're on the roll. You are now a accomplished parent. For me, the most important thing is, for you, they are 5. For them, you are the only mother.
And that's a very good
For
point.
them, you are the only father. Their whole day and their whole life is based on your approval. आपने एक बात उनको प्यार से कह दी, एक दफ़ा उनको धमकी देकर कुछ कह दिया, it changes everything. And for me, a happy child is a productive child. जो बच्चा खुश नहीं है, अपने आप से खुश नहीं है, घर में खुश नहीं है, he cannot achieve success as easily. So just think about this. For you, there may be 2 children, 3 children, 4 children, and they are just all clumped together. But for them, you are the one mother or the one father only, and they do everything to seek your approval.
Right. And no matter what their age is, that's what they do.
Yes. Many times the comparison is also invalid or unfair because times are different, your family situation is different, what you could do as a parent is different, and it's just, you know that girls grow up differently than boys. Socially, mentally, emotionally, academically, they will be different at the same ages. So keeping all this factors in mind, just look for the good in your child, understand that your approval means everything to them. The more positive you are, the better they will do.
For the children.
And if I could interject one last very important point is that don't reflect your emotional state on them. If you are stressed, if you're worried, if you are under pressure, don't let that reflect on them. Don't take it out on them.
Exactly. And
Separate
that's very
them.
important. I mean, that is so important. I wish we had more time because I think what you just brought up and what you said, you know, to the children, you might have 5 children, but for them, you're just one mom, one dad. So approval is a big thing. Well, we're running out of time, but of course, I do want to thank both of you for coming out. I'll start off with you. Before I say thank you to you, I do want to say आज आपने बुशीबान के बारे में सीखा, मार्शल आर्ट्स के बारे में सीखा, यहाँ तक कि इतनी सारी आपको टिप्स दी हैं हम लोगों ने कि देखिए आपके बच्चे हैं, think about them. These are your children, you want the best for them. And they do seek your approval. Anyway, well, thank you so much for coming out
My pleasure.
and being a part of this show and taking time out from your busy schedule.
Pleasure.
Thank you so much.
Pleasure.
And what message would you like to leave for our viewers right now?
Well, first of all, thank you, TV1 and Lubna and the whole crew. It's been a wonderful experience. We'd just like to invite everybody to Bushiban. Come and try us out. Bring your children, bring yourself. Come and do the fitness class, the children's class. And you know, as a TV1 viewer, we'd like to offer a special 1 month of free training, no strings attached, no. Just come and try it out. We want our community to get involved, and we have hundreds of members. We have many locations. We just opened one in Sienna Plantation. We are in Clear Lake, Friendswood, Pearland, LaPorte, Pasadena, Alameda, League City. So there's a location near you. We have in Connecticut, 2 locations. So give martial arts a try, and don't look at it from the mar-dhar combative aspect. Look at it from a personal development, life skill, character education, health and fitness, exercise aspect. And I think you will find a world of wealth, of value in the martial arts. And it doesn't have to be Bushiban, anywhere good school. So again, thank you TV1 and thank you Lubna for a wonderful interview.
Thank you so much. And I want to say thank you to you too for
Thank
taking
you
out the
very
time.
much. It's been a wonderful program. I would like to say to the audience that यहाँ बहुत रिवाज है, हम चीज़ ले आते हैं, पसंद नहीं आती तो वापस कर देते हैं, जाके फिर दूसरी ले आते हैं. हमारे बच्चे तो हमारे हैं, वो तो वापस नहीं हो सकते. तो जैसे भी हैं हमारे बच्चे हैं और हमने उनको and we all know a lot, but it's a question of what do we do with what we know. I would like them to remember just one thing: look at them positively, look at them equally. to follow your message.
And one more thing, thank you so much for that. But Bushiban, I know you have one of the locations here in Clear Lake. Now, parents who are thinking of trying out, and I know you just gave away 1 month of free trial classes. I mean, that's a lot.
That's
कोई
it.
लिमिट है या आपने बस कह दी जितने लोग चाहें?
आप आएं, आप
Okay.
करें जितना
चले भी
करना है।
थोड़ी, लेकिन आपको मेंशन करना पड़ेगा संडे ब्रंच फ्रॉम ह्यूस्टन
Yes.
TV1, ये मेरा नाम लेना होगा, and you see the number on the screen. So call this number. You can email them, you can call them. If you need, you can call TV1. We will guide you. But one more thing I wanted to say, I know you are also a master over there. बच्चों को जो माएँ डरती हैं कि देखो चोट ना लग जाए, and I know this, I shouldn't say this,
जी,
but
जी।
देखो चोट लग जाएगी, उसको ये हो जाएगा. How can you make them feel comfortable? What would you want?
Our system is designed to be safe and systematic.
Right.
We are doing this for 40 plus years. If we were hurting children and if we were being negative, and
Right.
we would not be still in business, we would not be growing. And especially in the West, this is out of the question. So every class is taught by a licensed, certified instructor. The facilities और जो traditional concept है कि मार-धाड़ हो रही, that is not what goes on. There is a portion of calmness. बच्चा learns to become calm. There is a portion of fitness. There is a portion of self-defense. There is a portion of games that are developmental games. So there is
There's so much
very
more to that.
Their safety is as important to us as is important to the parents.
Of course.
They are our kids.
They are.
They're in our care. They are our responsibility.
course.
So their safety is number one.
course.
Their education, their safety is number one to
Right.
us.
क्योंकि मुझे इससे कहा ना कि जो कि लोग कहते होंगे जी हमारे बच्चे, but they are taught so many things, and of course thank you so much for that. और यही बात हम कर रहे थे आज बुशीबान के बारे में. आप लोग अगर नहीं जानते हैं इसके बारे में भी काफ़ी आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन दी है. Go there, make it a weekend trip and say हम जाएंगे, we want to come by, we want to get a tour and see how it is. अपने हम बच्चों को नहीं आगे लेके जाएंगे चीज़ों में, क्यों अगर हमारे बच्चे में वो एक गिफ्ट है, why not bring that out?
Yes.
Your kids have so many things in them, you have to show them. I mean, वो कहते हैं सितारा है, उसको बस चमकाना है आपने. And I think
बिल्कुल.
the experts here, Bushiban, they can definitely do that because these are highly trained and they know what they're doing. ये नहीं है कि आपने बस भेज दिया बच्चे मारपीट कर रहे हैं. They're learning so much. There's focus, there's discipline, and the other I forgot now. But anyway, go there. Call the number you see on the screen and go try this out. क्योंकि जब तक आप देखेंगे नहीं, हो सकता है आपके बच्चा कह दे, और क्या पता भी माँ बेटी ज्वाइन कर लें, क्या हो सकता है कि बाप बेटे ज्वाइन कर लें. सी दिस थिंग्स. और एक और चीज़ मुझे कहनी है जो शायद नहीं कहनी चाहिए कि जो देसी पेरेंट्स हैं, दे हैव टू गेट इन्वॉल्व विद देयर चिल्ड्रन. ये नहीं कि बच्चे स्कूल गए, घर आ गए, होमवर्क कर लिया, टीवी देख लिया. Get them into some different activities, and this is a good activity for them for growing up and learning so much. Anyway, आज काफ़ी हो गया, मैंने लेक्चर दे दिया आप लोगों को. Anyway, I do want to thank Faisal Kamal of Embassy Suites of Energy Corridor for providing us this beautiful venue. अगर आप भी सोच रहे हैं कोई इवेंट करने के लिए, इनको कॉल कीजिए और इंशाल्लाह अगले हफ्ते फिर मुलाकात होगी एक और टॉपिक के साथ, कुछ और गेस्ट के साथ. जहाँ रहें खुश रहें. ज़िंदगी बहुत छोटी है, हर एक से बना के रखें, लेकिन अगर कुछ गलत होता है तो कुछ कीजिए उसके बारे में. दुआ में ज़रूर याद रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.